no television, just nature. No television, just nature. We shut off all the static, left the buzzing lights behind. Packed the tents and coolers for a weekend redesign. The forest called us softly with a whisper through the trees, and every step felt lighter in that quiet summer breeze. Bonnie spread the blankets while George built the fire high. Crystal chased the fireflies, Georgie pointed at the sky. The world felt wide and open like a story freshly made. No screens, no noise, just sunlight drifting gently through the shade. No television, just nature. Just the river singing like a friendly narrator. No television, just nature. Just the wind and the woods and a life that's greater. Patty walked the shoreline while Mike skipped stones along. He hummed a little tune that grew into a camping song. They laughed about the silence, said it felt like years ago. Weekends meant adventure and the wild was all you'd know. Joe brewed up the coffee, Cindy smiled in the sun. They talked about old summers and the places they had run. With no screens interrupting, every moment felt brand new. Just simple living shining in that peaceful woodland view. No television, just nature. Just the river singing like a friendly narrator. No television, just nature. Just the wind and the woods and a life that's greater. Grandma watched the sunset, Grandpa leaned back in his chair. He said this kind of quiet is a treasure rare and fair. They listened to the forest like it played a lullaby, and felt the long weekend magic drifting softly through the sky. George raised up his coffee, said this here's the perfect scene. A family camp, a peaceful night, no glow from any screen. He smiled at Bonnie proudly as the firelight flickered bright, and crowned the weekend champion, the beauty of the night. No television, just nature. Just the river singing like a friendly narrator. No television, just nature. Just the wind and the woods and a life that's greater. No television, just nature. No television, just nature.